Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel friends. Thank you so much friends for watching. Friends, I will tell you the most common causes of dark circle under the eyes are lack of sleep and genetic. Dark circle under the eyes can also be caused by allergies, excessive alcohol consumption, aging, serious medical condition, sun exposure. This remedy will allow your skin, your cells to produce more melanin. Also friends, as we get older, we lose some of the fats and collagen surrounding our eyes. Poor circulation is also a major cause of dark circle under eyes. Iron deficiency can factor in as a cause of dark circle. Smoking tobacco restricts blood flow, causing an overly pale appearance to skin and emphasize dark under eye circles. Potato contains natural bleaching agents that will help lighten the skin under your eyes. Lemon, the vitamin C and citric acid help to lighten and tighten the skin under the eyes. Cucumber contains vitamin K, which can reduce dark circle. The next step is to get rid of the skin. So I'm using peeler. You can use peeler or knife to get rid of the skin of the potato. The next step, we need container. You can get a bowl, you can get container. You have your cereal there and you have your grater. So we're going to use this small rough area to make the potato a paste. So what I'm trying to do there, I'm trying to project the paste. That's the cucumber guys. I'm going to cut it into two. So cut it into two to your own desire. So you are going to use that quarter, that should be enough. So what we need there, we need the water from the potato and the cucumber. We're gonna combine them so you keep great water. Continue to stir in it. What I'm trying to do there, I'm trying to get rid of the liquid from the potato and the cucumber. So I'm trying to combine them together. I'm trying to get as much as liquids because that is the liquid we are looking for. That is the liquid that is going to help us to get rid of the black circle, dark circle under our eyes, and it's going to reproduce a new growth of melanin, and it's going to make our face to look younger. Okay. So guys, I want you to shake the lemon bottle very well. You need to shake it, and we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of lemon liquid. You can get the citrus, you can get the fresh lemon. Alright guys, so add it and mix them well together, mix them thoroughly. So guys, the next step, I get myself a plain container there. I usually use that for remedy, and I get a piece of paper in that kitchen, so I'm just going to use it as a straw. So I'm going to use it, it's handy. So you're going to do the same thing. Get any containers of yourself or your choice, guys. I don't really know what I'm saying. So mix it thoroughly, including the starch, guys. Make sure you mix everything, mix it thoroughly. This liquid worked well. It's going to tight your saggy skin. It's going to help you to get rid of the dark circle. So I pour it back together. So I'm going to make sure I strain it. I want to get away the last bit of the liquid. So we really need that, guys. So store it in the fridge for 3 working days, guys. After 3 days, try to dispose it. It's not going to be able to work again. So do the same thing. It can only stay in the fridge for 3 days. Make sure you store it in the fridge for 3 days and continue using it consistently as they can. Use it morning and night for the better result, guys. So guys, get yourself any type of cotton pad, any type of thing, cotton pad or face towels you are comfortable with. Cut it in a circle, like a moon, like half moon circle. So apply the solution, spray. Some people soak it inside the liquid, but I prefer it this way. So I'm going to do this second one the same thing. So spray, guys. Continue spray. So combine them together. And now I'm going to, I've already washed my face, it's already clean. So apply it under my eyes, under this dark area. So you can see the same thing, guys. It's very chill. It's very chill. I really enjoy it. So leave it to your face to up to 30 minutes. So clean gently. Your face circle is very sensitive. Under your eyes is very sensitive. So you can see you down. That's it. I use the kitchen towel again to apply Vaseline. Vaseline help bringing moisture back to your under eyes area, reducing dark circle that appear. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.